Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's good? My name is Ray Vaughn. If you're returning, what's up, Ray babes? So today it is 2 days after my last vlog, and I just got off work, took Daenerys on a walk. She's upset because she had to go back in the kennel. But while I was gone, she had an accident on the floor, and punishment, you know? But also because my mom and Dante and Kai are on the way over here because we're about to do Kai's room as promised. So I will show you guys what Kai's room is looking like right now because I cleaned it last night. So I'm gonna show you. So this is Kai's room. Only thing in here is his toys, 2 dressers. Me and my mom are gonna fix this dresser, and that is a bookshelf that has no books in it. So yeah, it's pretty bare. And then of course, you know, it opens up to the lash room. And he also has a closet back here and then a closet over here. So yes, this room is freshly mopped and swept and all that good stuff. I'm so excited because Kai will be sleeping in his room tonight if we finish, and I'm excited to see how that goes. Before, Kai slept in his own room, so I'm not worried about anything. He's not scared of the dark. Kids like literally not scared of anything. So I'm just excited to see how this room transforms. Okay guys, so we're about to get started. My mom showed up a whole hour late. Yeah, showed up an hour late. But nonetheless, we're about to get started. Needs a candle in here or something, I don't know. It just smells old, I don't know. You put that in your room? Mm-hmm. Hard-working black man right there.
Yeah. It's my day off and y'all got me out here slaving.
You love it.
I don't.
I wish they would come and paint this.
Daydreaming on a cloud with you like I'm rising. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive in this heat touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you without you. So I come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We can have this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We can have this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. It's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive in this heat touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone without you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We can have this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We can have this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you there.
Y'all, I went to put books in here. Look, it's a spider. Look. He alive. He is alive. No. That ain't gonna work. They gonna work.
What you got to say?
I fixed it. I fixed it.
You fixed the drawer.
I did fix the drawer. So now all we have to do is just sand and paint it in another vlog because I'm tired. I'm tired.
All right, guys, we're all done. We're gonna do the reveal. Oh.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this.
Come see your new room.
Huh?
You like your room?
Yeah. It was good.
You like it?
Uh-huh.
You love it?
Uh-huh. I'm going.
Oh, you're gone?
She comes here, so.
Well. All right, you guys, this is a really quick video, but we did what we needed to do. We finished Kai's room. So I'm gonna wrap it up here. We will come back and I will be cleaning up my room, getting these boxes out of here, and I'll be a whole nother thing, finishing my room and all that good stuff. So you can see I didn't sweat it. Oh my God. Oh, anyway, see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.
Bye.